welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy watching unboxings, all sorts of unboxing videos, make sure you subscribe. It's free. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, welcome back, guys. Thank you for the love and for the support. Today I will be unboxing with you guys the Walmart Halloween beauty box. So Walmart Beauty. So everything that I have inside the box is listed here. They don't have prices, none of the items here, but I will go ahead and show you guys what it is. So my first item that I pull out of my box is going to be a small eyeshadow palette, and it's from Revlon, and it's their Colorstay 555 Moonlit. Let's see if I can, it's taped together, so I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. So that's what it looks like. My next item is going to be this right here, and it's from Milani. So what this is a pure gold 06 24 karat glow. Doesn't tell me what it is though. So it's a highlighter, it's a Strobelight. So this is a highlighter. My next item is going to be a lipstick. And this is from NYX. Trying to see the color. So that's the color right there. My next item is going to be this here. But I love this because the color on top, man, is all taped. It has glitter. Well, I'm sure you guys can see it right there. It has glitter, and then the bottom part is the lip gloss. You were able to choose one item, and this was the item that I chose. And this alone was $10. Item is going to be this right here. So it's a nail polish, and it is from, oh, so I can't even see it. Hold on. My helper, my glasses. So this is from Sinful Colors. I've never heard that brand. And it's number 852, and it says Go Go Girl. It's the name of the nail polish. And I received a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. My last item is gonna be this hair color. Which is super cool. Remember, this is their Halloween box, okay? So I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products, and then the Neutrogena wipe. Super good for $9.95, I think it was. Oh, and I received the palette as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. And I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing. Bye, guys.